Hello everyone, my name is Amalia Fires. You can call me Ame for short. And today I'll be your tour guide. So let's have fun together. Right now, we are currently in Sumatera Barat. To be exact, in Padang. And today we're going to Pantai Air Manis. It's not far away and only take 15 minutes from Padang. There are legends that makes Pantai Air Manis is different than any other beach out there. You guys know what kind of legend is it? Yes, it's a legend about a man that acts very rude towards his mother. Because of that, the mother asks God to turn her rude son into a stone. Wow, what a scary prayer, right? Kids, please listen to your parents well. The beach is famous because of the legend and human kneeling shaped stone. Besides that, in Pantai Air Manis, you can enjoy sunset in tidal and ride ATV car for only 20k per 25 minutes. Okay guys, next destination is not only beautiful place but also refreshing. We're going to air terjun Lubuak, Ngalauan. Not like any high waterfall, air terjun Lubuak Ngalauan is mini waterfall with pond like river. Oh yeah, in case you don't know, Lubuak means pond. The water is refreshing, cool and green. The waterfall only height 6 meters, makes it perfect for jumping. Air terjun Lubuak Ngalauan located in Sarasah, 25 km from Central City. In here, you guys can swimming or do some cliff jumping. Also, for the one who seek adventure, in here you can ride off-road car and motor trail. Exciting, isn't it? Okay guys, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Bye!